Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill presses for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JDP17. If you are in the market for the best drill press for woodworking, then you need to check out this model from Jet. This company has a long history of making excellent drill presses, and this is no exception. It has one of the biggest spindle ranges of any drill press, which makes it easy to get the depth you need with a quick turn of the handle. One of the biggest issues with drill presses is that the speed is difficult to adjust. You usually need a few tools and a bunch of time to get the job done. Thankfully, that is not the case with this drill. You only need one hand to quickly and easily switch to one of the 16 different speed settings. This drill also has a humongous upper limit, making it great for any project you have in mind. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nova 58000 Voyager DVR drill press. The great thing about drill presses is that they can be used for a variety of materials, which is why it makes sense to look for a press that can handle wood, metal, or any other material that you might want to drill. If this sounds like you, then you've got to check out the Nova 5800 Voyager. It has one of, if not the, most powerful motor on the market today. If you wire it for 220 volts, it can provide you with 2 HP of power. This can, obviously, produce some extremely high RPM. In fact, it can go all the way up to 5,500 RPM, which is perfect for precision work on thin materials. Thankfully, the manufacturers of this drill were not only thinking about powering through on every drilling project. If you do that, you are liable to mess up any project you are working on. This drill has a soft start feature that helps to keep your drill under control when you are first getting started. The operation is also ridiculously smooth, thanks in part to its direct drive system. At number 3, we have the WEN 4214. Though it is true that benchtop drills are not all that great for working on metal, they are great tools for use on wood. If you are looking for the best benchtop drill for woodworking, then be sure to check out this model from WEN. Its 2/3 HP motor is not powerful enough for metal but will be perfect for wood. It has a highly adjustable speed setting, which will allow you to set the speed anywhere from 580–3200 RPM. Setting the speed is made quick and easy thanks to the digital speed readout. With this simple-to-read display, you can be sure that you are drilling at the exact speed that you need to get the job done right. You will just want to be careful with the controls, however. They are, unfortunately, not the most durable, so you need to be sure that you use them as gently as possible. At number 2, we have the Benchtop drill press. One of the biggest benefits that a benchtop drill press can offer you is portability. Since they are so lightweight, you can move them around your shop, put them away when they are not in use, or take them with you when you are working somewhere else. The Benchtop drill press is nice and portable, which makes it great for a woodworker on the go, or someone with a smaller-sized shop that needs to save their space. This is also one of the safest drill presses you can buy, too. It comes with a safety switch that makes it impossible for the drill to power on by accident. Not only will this feature help to keep you safer while you work, but it will also make sure that your projects aren't accidentally damaged either. And finally at number 1, we have the True Power Gino Development 010822. Most drill presses, even benchtop versions, are really expensive. It can make it difficult for someone operating on a budget to get a press for their workshop. If this sounds like you, then this might be a good press for you. It is super cheap, lightweight, and highly portable, which makes it perfect for use with wood. It also has a pretty powerful motor for such a small drill. While it can only be set to 3 different speed settings, each one of these settings will provide you with the speed you need to get quick and accurate holes drilled in pretty much any type of wood. Since this drill is so cheap, it is very straightforward and simple to use. This makes it a great option for someone who is just getting started in woodworking, or someone who doesn't want to deal with a lot of complex settings.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.